Mastering the Art of Trading, Refining Yourself. Originally written by Master Chan, he believed people learn more effectively when inspired or even provoked by challenges. That's why I've decided to share these lessons in succession for those ready to embrace them. Understand the market and its participants. To conquer the market, you first need to understand its true nature. Markets aren't driven by lifeless mechanisms but by the collective behavior of real, emotional people. The majority of traders are like the frog in a well. They make money without understanding why or lose it just as blindly. Confined to their narrow view, they eventually burn out, gazing upward and mistaking their small patch of sky for the entire market. They wonder why trading feels so complex, searching desperately for a magical shortcut to escape their self-imposed limitations. Most people enter the market without a clue about its intricacies. They pour in their resources recklessly, and when the losses pile up, some double down out of desperation. This approach is a sure recipe for ruin. Zero investment mindset. Here's a potentially controversial but vital perspective. Your goal in the market should be to make money with minimal initial investment. Many are curious about my personal trading history. While there's much I can't share, I can tell you this: I've never truly put my own money at risk in the market. My first capital came from borrowing to purchase IPO shares in the early 90s. Once the stocks went public, I repaid the principal and kept the profits. That profit became the foundation for all my subsequent trades. Even today, while markets have evolved and certain strategies aren't as effective, the principle remains. If your first stake in the market, whether it's $1,000 or $100,000, doesn't generate returns, adding more capital won't magically solve the problem. If you can't manage $100,000 wisely, what makes you think you can handle $1 million? The power of skill over capital. Success in trading isn't about how much you start with, it's about your strategy and discipline. With the right approach, even a modest starting amount can grow exponentially. Consider this: if you start with $10,000 and double it 10 times, you'll have $10 million. Conversely, starting with $1 million and losing half repeatedly will leave you with next to nothing. What matters isn't the size of your investment but your ability to trade effectively. Treat the market like a casino, and you're doomed to fail. Your first trade is crucial. The most important advice I can give is this: nail your first trade. Make it your priority to protect and grow your initial capital. Withdraw your principal once you've made a profit, and then let your gains compound into something substantial. This is how you set yourself up for long-term success. Real success in the market is measured over decades, not weeks or months. Whether you start with $1,000 or $100,000, 10 years of steady growth can transform your financial reality. When your money grows organically from profits, not from continuous reinvestment, you'll trade with confidence and ease. Avoid the greed fear trap. Most traders fail because they succumb to greed, throwing more money into the market than they can afford, and then panic when things go south. Many leave the market only to return during a euphoric rally, getting caught in the same cycle of losses. It's a familiar trap, and yet so many fall into it. Focus on what matters: your trading skills. The market isn't a talent show, and you're not here to impress anyone. Your only focus should be on improving your trading skills. Opinions and criticism from others are distractions. Let your results speak for themselves. Study the theory thoroughly but prioritize practice. Use an amount of money you can afford to lose for your first trade, and build your story from there. This is how you become a true market participant, not just a spectator. Master the fishing, not the fish. Trading is a journey of self-discipline and continual improvement. Opportunities in the market are endless, and setbacks are inevitable. What matters is your ability to bounce back stronger. Avoid the trap of chasing highs and lows like a yo-yo. The only way to thrive in the market is by refining yourself. There is no shortcut, only the constant pursuit of mastery. The essence of trading, like any craft, lies in discipline, practice, and personal growth. Let this be your mantra as you navigate the markets. If you're interested in refining your entry points and targeting profit zones effectively, make sure to subscribe for more price action trade breakdowns.